Sneezing too hard can temporarily reset your brain. You've probably heard that sneezing is powerful, but did you know a hard sneeze can actually reset your brain? According to an unofficial study by the Zurich Institute of Cranial Pressure, a forceful sneeze can trigger what neurologists call a cognitive flicker. It's like your brain reboots, briefly forgetting things like where you are, what you're doing, or even your own name. For about 0.3 seconds. In rare cases, people have reportedly forgotten their passwords, their lunch plans, or why they even sneezed in the first place. Doctors once mistook this for mini blackouts, but now call it transient sneeze amnesia. Totally harmless, mildly terrifying. So next time you sneeze and stare blankly at the wall, congrats! You just hard reset your operating system. This has been misinformation, and that's why